Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the step-by-step process of obtaining PayPal API keys. Whether you're a developer, business owner, or just curious about integrating PayPal into your projects, this guide will walk you through each stage, making it easy to unlock the power of PayPal APIs. Let's get started. For your PayPal API key, first of all open any web browser and search for paypal.com, or simply go to the link we provide in video description. Please note that for test mode you must generate separate API credential on developer.paypal.com. If you already have an account, log in. Otherwise, sign up for a new account. Once you are in PayPal developer dashboard, you need to be creator app for API key. In the PayPal developer dashboard, navigate to the My Apps and Credentials section. Under the REST API Apps section, click on the Create App button. Enter a name for your app in the App Name field. Select the Sandbox developer account, and click on Create App. Your app will be created successfully. Once the app is created, you'll be redirected to the API credential page. On this page you'll find your client ID and secret. These are your API credentials. Copy this. Use the obtained API credentials in your application's code to integrate with the PayPal API. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you soon.